And maybe we are in the profit, $35. That's good, that's good. $42, $50, $55, $57, $58. Should I close it or let it go? A new giant may be rising inside of the crypto. There is only one name everybody's keep repeating over and over: Aster. In Korea, I met with the Aster's founder, Leonard.
Come try Aster, give us more feedback.
And he gave me really different notes. And here's the twist. He was formerly working in the Binance. In our conversation, one thing was crystal clear. Aster is moving to fill the gap Binance left. On the ground, I kept hearing the same line. Binance founder cannot act through Binance anymore. But he's advising Aster. And what happened next was really wild. People who are using the platform earning rewards repeatedly. And also BNB pushed towards the $1,300. When I first shared the BNB, that was $239. But right now, just look at the chart. So what exactly is the new way? Could it really be the new Binance? Let's break down AsterDEX from scratch and how to use it step by step, how people are earning this kind of money, and why everyone in the world talk about that coin. If you are ready, let's roll. Before using the AsterDEX, you need to use Binance at first. If you didn't have a Binance account yet, just check the video in the below so you can understand every detail really easily. When you download the Binance, deposit your money, and afterwards, click the wallet section in the top. And afterwards, you need to have money inside of the wallet as well. This is why you're just clicking assets in the right corner. And afterwards, click receive on the top. You need to use two coins for using this order. First, USDT and also BNB. Every action you did inside of that wallet, you need to use your BNB as a gas fee. So small amounts will be enough for you, but let's move the USDT first. Just click the transfer from a Binance exchange and click USDT in here. Click BNB Smart Chain. These are really important, and continue. You just need to write the amount in here. It can be any amount. I will just write 500 and transfer. And withdrawal processing. Click go to Binance Wallet. In 1 or 2 minutes, you will get your money directly. And afterwards, if you don't have any BNB in that account as well, just click the same page, click the BNB rather than USDT. The same process. And afterwards, when you receive the money, click discover, and you can see you can write a URL in the top. You can also copy in the URL in the description of the video. With this URL, you can get 5% discount on all of your fees inside of the AsterDEX. You can just copy the paste that link, and that's all. And you will see a screen like that, 4A3030. Just click redeem invite code and confirm. Afterwards, you will see a page like that. Or maybe it could be a main page, maybe like that. And if you see that page, just click Launch App, and after that, you will be on that page. When you click the 3 lines in the right corner, you can see there is a lot of features inside of the Aster. First of them is an airdrop. If you are not using before, you will not get anything from here, so you can just forget it for now. Afterwards, perpetual is really similar to the Binance features, so you can just leverage trades inside of the perpetual part. You can just click that. In order to do transaction inside of the perpetual part, you need to deposit your money inside of your Binance wallet. So click deposit on the right corner again and choose BNB chain, and in the USDF part, click it and choose USDT. I will just write $500, done, deposit. If you are not using before, it will also ask one more transaction to approve the USDT first, so you will approve the transaction twice. And afterwards, just wait 1 or 2 minutes, maximum 3, and you will get your USDT inside of the AsterDEX. Now your deposit is successfully done. You can see there is an also notification on the top, and now in my perp account, $500. There is also a lot of similarity between the Binance, because as you know, the Leonard was working Binance before. So how can I do the trades? I will just, for example, want to buy long inside of the Bitcoin. I'll just click buy, and I will just write what will be the size of my trades. You can choose your cross or the isolated margin in here. Also your leverage until the 100x. You can choose your leverage. So let's make $100 worth of position, or let's make it thousands. Let's make it a little bit fun and buy long. Buy long. If you are doing first time, it will also ask you the approve part. So you need to do it twice if it's needed. Just wait for the signal. When I close it, you can see my entry price, my liquidation price, mark price, and the margin that I use. As you can see, I used only $10 margin, but my liquidation price is $58,000 because I opened the cross margin. If you don't know this detail, just click the video in the below about the fully details about how to use Binance and how to use Binance features. Now I'm in the loss for 20 cents. Let's close that so I can teach you the other parts in the project as well. So after that, there is also fun part in the AsterDEX. There is 1000x leverage inside of the Aster. And what did that means? If you have only $10, you can open a $10,000 position with only $10. It's a lot of risk, I know, but if you're just looking for your new Lambo, maybe that could be. But also you should understand that there is a lot of risks as well. It's the fun part. If you just want to have fun at night, maybe you can try that. But it's not that really makes sense, trust me. But I will try it for you. Just click the 3 dots in the top and also click 1001x. But probably after you deposit money, you will not see your total money in here, because if you want to use 1001x, you need to transfer your money from AsterDEX to Binance Wallet again. How to withdraw money? Let's go back to the perpetual part and click transfer, and there is a withdraw section. I clicked it, I choose USDT again, max, and withdrawal. Yes, we withdrew successfully. Right now, I go back again the same place, 1001x. And there is also one thing is really good actually inside of the here. When you open a position around 1000x, your fee is really low. Let me show you. For example, I want to open a long position in here, and fee is for 1000x. Let me just write the coin again. For example, I want to do it at $20. So it will be worth of $20,000. Or let's make it a little fun as well. Let's make it $50 and open a position around $50,000. And the fee is only 50 cents. Until the 500x, it will remain same. So when you open a big position, you will not pay high fees. And also, if you also use the referral code at the beginning, you will also get the half of this as a discount. But if you open a position with the 250x, your fee will be $8. So you need to be really considerate about it. I'll just open a 1001x and long. We just opened the position, and right now we are in the profit for $4, $6, $5, minus $3. It's really fast because, as I told you, this is a 1001x and they see me my position as a $100,000. So I'm earning like a $100,000 and I'm losing like a $100,000 as well. So we are in the profit for $12, $20. It's really fast, guys. But let's move on the other parts and maybe we can look back it again. Maybe we can earn money. I don't know, or maybe we will liquidate it. So let's see. Just click the 3 lines again in the top and click spot. Spot part is really important right now because, as you know, in the past years, Binance listings was really important. When one coin listing on the Binance gets really hyped, or maybe 200% or 300% can be increased. But right now, Aster doing the same thing as well. When Aster listing some coin, it's getting really hyped because Aster is hyped. So you should also be really careful about it. Maybe you can do some of your investments inside of the Aster as well, because you will earn points when you're making trade volumes or making spot buys or spot sells, and eventually with your points you can get Aster airdrop. So it's really beneficial for you. Just click the 3 line again, and there is also your portfolio. In portfolio you can see your total account balance, your PNL, your volume, your perp balance, blah blah blah. This can be also beneficial for you, but this part updates really slowly. So when you don't see any updates about this page, just wait maximum 24 hours and you will see your updates. Just click the 3 line again. There is also a referral part. This is why I gave you 5% discount inside of this. Also, there is rewards. This is also important for you. What I told you, when you earn points, you will get Aster airdrops, and it's like a seasonal basis. Every month or every 2 months, your points are getting accumulated, and with these accumulations, you will get an Aster airdrops regularly. So using this platform is really beneficial for you actually. In here, you can see your current points, ranking, your share, team boss, blah blah blah. And also, if I can open a team inside of the Aster, I will also put the link below. When you're inside of the one team, your points get 50% higher. So it's also really beneficial for you. Let's continue. Rewards part. There is also trade and earn part. If you trade with Aster's own token like USDF, this is the same with the USDT, you will get APY yearly and also extra points when you're trading that pair. So it's also beneficial. You can get your USDT to USD fee one by one, so there is no loss for you. And also if you're using BNB, there is also beneficial because in the USD fee there is 7% APY only, but in the BNB there is 10% APY, so you can earn 10% interest. And also you can do the same extra points as well. And there is also rewards up. The rewards hub is not open right now. It's closed at the September 25. But after you do that, when your trading volume reaches some of the limits, you will get extra USD bonuses when you're opening a trade. For example, for $50,000 volume, you will get $5, $100,000, $10, $500,000, $50, blah, blah, blah. These are not working right now, but in the future, new ones will be added to here, so be careful. It could be really easy money for you. No one will say no to free money, right? So continue. Let's go back to our position on the 1001X. Everybody in the back of the camera waiting for that. Did we win or lose? And maybe we are in the profit, $35. That's good. That's good. $42, $50, $55, $57, $58. Should I close it or let it go? Let it go. $60. This is not the financial advice, guys. And this is... I don't want to encourage you on this risky trades, but sometimes it can happen as well. Last video, I made the same video in the Turkish as well, and I lost $50 in seconds. Right now, I'm $62 in profit, so it can be really changing. It's a really volatile market, and 1001X is really, really risky. And thinking about that, this is the Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is not that volatile. Just think about the other altcoins. It could be really risky for you. But it's also fun. I cannot say lie about it. So thank you for watching video. Maybe DEX can be really hard to understand, but after you're watching this video, it's really easy for you. If you have any questions about the video, just write in the comments, or you can write in my DMs as well. I can gladly answer all of those questions. And if you want more of this kind of video, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye. I'm still in the profit, $53. $60. Now guys, the position reached $130 in profit, but it's automatically closed. I didn't do anything. Maybe there is a limit when you're doing that. I don't know, but I will research about it. And if I found it, I will just pin it in the comments in the YouTube, or maybe I can just tell you in my Telegram channel as well. So don't forget to follow those two. It's a really new thing. Maybe this could be ADL something, or just a limit in the position, but let's see.